This video will discuss about the formulas of horizontal and vertical components. So for the given we have diagram. For example, this one is the given diagram. This one is the theta, and this one is our A1 and A sub 2. So this one is our, we have X and Y components. Okay, so in this figure, we have to solve what is A1 and A2, or what is our vector. So this one our X, this one is our Y. From this we have figure, we can have now as A, our vector A is equals to, we have A sub 1 and A sub 2. Or we can have now A1I plus A, we have 2J. So if the vector A and the angle are defined on this we have, so if vector A, okay, vector A is defined in this we have diagram, so therefore the formula for to find A1 is equals to magnitude of A cosine we have theta, because here when you are going to find A is the represents for X, right? So therefore X solving for cosine, and A2 now is equals to the magnitude of A sine we have theta, sine given theta over here. Got it? Okay. For example, vector is given. Vector is equals to 4i plus 6 we have j. We have to find first the magnitude. Okay, so the magnitude of v is equals to 16, so square root of 4, right? So we have 4 squared plus 6 squared. So we will get now as square root of 52. Or we can simplify as we have 4 times 13, right? 4 times 13, or we can have now 2 square root of 13. Okay, so this is our magnitude. So where is the graph? Where can we find the graph now? So it's in quadrant number 2. So it says that 4i, so this one is 4i. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 6j. So therefore we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this point, so this one is our, we have triangle. So this one is, so we have 4, 6j. So how will we get the theta over here? So going back to trigonometric function, we have, this is the theta, so we have opposites over adjacent, so therefore we will have tangent theta is equals to vy, or vector y over vector x. So we can get now theta is equals to arctan, or tangent to the power of -1, 6 over 4. So we can get now, then theta is approximately, we have 56, we have degrees. Okay, so be sure that your calculator is in, we have degree mode. Okay, another example. For example, the given vector is equals to, we have -3i plus we have 4j. So to find the magnitude of v is equals to, we have the square root of -3, so that is 9, plus we have 16, right? 4 squared. So therefore, we will have now the magnitude is equals to, we have 5. So we have 9 plus 16 is equals to 25. So therefore, the magnitude is equals to, we have 5. So next, we have to draw the diagram. So this one is negative 3. So 1, 2, negative 3. Going to, we have 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So therefore, this one is the point. So we have here, this one now will be our reference angle. Okay, so this one here will be our reference angle. So theta, how to get that one over here? So this one is, we have 4, j, this one is 3. So tangent, okay, tangent theta is equals to, we have 4 over 3, which is tangent now is equals to arctan 4 over 3. Okay, so we have to calculate. So therefore, we will have now arctan 4 . So therefore, we have our theta is approximately, we have, or our reference angle is, we have 53 degrees. Okay, 53 degrees, point 13. So this one is 53. So how much is this theta? So that is the one that we are looking for. So this one is the reference. This one is our theta. So therefore, you have to do the theta now. This one is the reference angle. Theta is equals to 180. This one is a reference, so the total is 180. So 180 now minus 53. So therefore, we have 180 minus 53. So therefore, that theta is equals to 53 degrees is equals to 127 degrees, approximately 127 degrees. Okay, so you got it. Okay, for the last example, we will get from our textbook. We have from Algebra and Trigonometry, Chokowski-Call. Okay, so it's in the example. We have application. Okay, so it says that if the wind, is blowing at, we have 12. So that's right. If in direction north 40 degrees west, express its velocity as a vector. So we have to express, okay, so we have express its, we have velocity as a vector. Okay, so when we graph we have the diagram. So we have the north, south, west, and east, right? So therefore, it says that it is 40 degrees. So therefore, here, this one is 40 degrees northwest. And then the direction blowing at 12, we have miles. So this one is the, this one is the magnitude, 12 miles. So the total angle that we are going to use to solve for that is this angle from, we have x going to this one, so 40 plus 90. So therefore the theta there is equals to, we have 130. So therefore, to find the vector, so v1 is equals to magnitude is equals to 12. So 12 cosine, we have 130, and then the v sub 2 is equals to 12 sine, we have 130 degrees. Okay, so be sure that the position of north, south, east, and west is correct. So therefore, the v now, so you compute with your calculator. So v is equals to, we have negative 7 point, we have 7i plus we have 9.2j. Okay, so if you have some questions, don't hesitate to comment or to send a message. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a nice day to everyone.